unfortunate situation affecting Jamaican club Mount Pleasant Football Academy, forced to travel for their CONCACAF Champions Cup away fixture against the LA Galaxy, minus 10 of their players who were denied visas to enter the US. Included in those 10 are 7 players from Haiti, which is currently facing a travel ban from the US. Now, this means that after all the preparation and the planning and strategizing, Mount Pleasant will have to face LA Galaxy away with a weakened team. And all of this must be seen as a serious sign of the times going into the World Cup later this year, where uncertainty is mounting by the day as to which teams and which set of fans will or will not be allowed to travel to the US for this massive showpiece event. So maybe, just maybe, in this highly charged political climate, maybe this is a good World Cup for Jamaica not to qualify.